Okay, Rohan here. We are going to be looking at this question here that's going to help us to formulate null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. The first one, we're asked to write a null and an alternative hypothesis to test the following. An online electronic store is concerned about the timeliness of the delivery of their products. The Vice President of Operations and Marketing recently stated that she wanted the percentage of product delivered on time to be at least 93%. And she wants to know if the company has succeeded. So what is it that we want to prove? That always helps you. Asking that question always helps you to know what is going to be the alternative hypothesis, because the null hypothesis is already sort of assumed to be true. It's the way we operate. It's what is the status quo. So if we are interested in seeing if it's at least 93%, it means the response here will show the null hypothesis is saying that, okay, the proportion is 93%, and the alternative hypothesis is going to reflect P being greater than 93. And if this analysis were to show that we are going to reject the null, it would mean that we're accepting the alternative, and the alternative is what we are setting out to sort of prove, quote unquote. Alright, so the second question, we are looking now at housing sale, and what they're trying to suggest is that they recently announced that the proportion of houses taking more than 4 months to sell is now less than 56%. So what that is suggesting, clearly the null hypothesis is going to hover around H0 being P is equal to 0.056, and the alternative is wanting to prove, if it is true, or support that we are now having a proportion that's less than 56. So in that case, P is going to be less than 56. So the alternative hypothesis is P being less than 56. Again, you want to link this here to what we are trying to prove. The last one, real quick, a financial firm's accounting report has an accuracy of 96% or above. So again, the null is going to be 0.96 for H0, and the alternative will support what we're trying to see if it's true, is that P is greater than 0.96. A couple of generalizations: the null hypothesis always has the equal sign, and the alternative always takes a direction above or below, or in some cases it can actually go both above and below. Alright, so this is just a quick example, and this should help you with some of the questions that you may have. Alright, this is Rohan. Thank you for watching.